Installing Python properly, we often find it difficult to install the packages and libraries that are required to do programs like Numpy, Scipy, and Sympy, etc. So we are going to learn all those today. I have installed Pycharm as my IDE to run Python program. So often after installing Python, we do check the version or whether Python has been installed properly or not by uh, typing commands from command prompt. You can open command prompt from start menu by clicking on command prompt over here, and this dialog box is going to open where you can type Python space hyphen hyphen version to get the version and the details, and often pip is installed along with Python, so you can check pip space hyphen hyphen version to check the version of pip that has been installed. Now let's come to the topic about how to install Numpy and other packages, etc. For that, we need to go to the folder or the directory where your Python has been installed. Usually, when you will open command prompt, it is like users slash backslash your the username, or sometimes it is the users only if it is for common users. So you need to go to the exact folder. For that, you need to type cd backslash then to the program files where usually the Python folder is installed. But if you know or check out where it has been installed, then you need to type cd backslash then the folder name if it is in C drive. So like this, you will enter the C drive, and after that you can type cd space python 310, that's the folder name. Then within that cd space scripts, that the folder name where the pip is installed. So after that you type pip3 since this is the version 3.10.4, and like that pip3 space install space numpy. This is the command that you should give to install numpy. Now you might find it installing properly if your internet connection is good. After that, this warning may appear. If it does not appear, then everything is well and good. You are installing Numpy in the exact same location where it should be, and your path is ready. Now this path makes a problem if this warning is given that this path is not on path. So what we need to do? Copy the link that is given over here, the directory, not link, the directory that is given over here. So I have copied this. Now go to your start menu and type environment variables. So I'll get this environment variables for your account. This you need to go to, and here you will find path where you need to edit it. Now this path obviously which is given over there, this might not be in this list, that's why only it is not showing properly installed. So you need to click on new. If you click new, then a new line will come, then paste it what you have copied as I've done previously over here. Then after you paste it, just click on OK. So this path will be included over here, then click OK on here, this one. Now you will check whether it has been installed or not. This at first I've uninstalled and again installed it, check the PIP version, whether it is correct or not, then again installed it. So here is the one where I have installed it another time. Now to check whether your Numpy has been installed or not, what you should do, you need to go to the Python shell. Now from command prompt you can do it by typing py. That will open you the Python one where you can do the work. Import math, I have checked the Python is working or not by using math. Math is the one which you do not need to install separately. It is already within Python. Then I typed import numpy to use it. And it worked well and good. When you will get these 3 arrows, that means it is working. Then you need to type a library, or so you need to do some use with numpy to check it. So I have used it and it's working good. Now I need to exit Python shell. So exit this open and close bracket. So I'll get out of this. Next, I need to install Scipy. To do that, again the same command, pip3 space install space Scipy. Now, since this directory is already there in the path, it is not showing me any problem. But while installing Sympy, it again showed me a problem. But it should not show. So whatsoever, I again copied this and did the same task. You can do that. But if you want to check it once again, why it is there in path, you can check it after some time. It might work. So this directory, if you copy and paste on Numpy and do this following works, again you check it, it will do its work. Now to check, you can directly go to the Pycharm. So in Pycharm, if you type some simple code that you have typed in command prompt, it will not do its work. Coming to this part later on. First, let us install each and everything that we require. So let us install Matplot library in the same way. This thing might do some work of installing all the other things that it requires. So don't worry, that's good enough. Like Pillow, Numpy, what the other things are there, those are installing. And whichever is there or not there, checking it, requirement already satisfied. So that is good. After installing everything, we go to Pycharm. Now in Pycharm, to use this, you need to again install the packages in Pycharm. To do that, you open the file where you are doing your program, where you need to use those libraries and packages. Then go to File, click on New Project Setup, then Settings for New Projects. Then you click on the Python interpreter. So Python interpreter, you need to check what is the Python interpreter over here. It should match with the Python interpreter which you are using over here. Like I had too many, but it's tricode, this one. Then after selecting the perfect Python interpreter, you need to add the packages or the libraries that you need. That is already installed by command prompt and the Python PIP. So that you need to add over here. Now here, if you search Numpy, then click on Numpy, then you need to click on install package. It's already installed, right, in my work. So package Numpy installed successfully. It will show this thing. If it shows this, it's okay, good. Like this, you need to install each and every one of those. So I have installed Numpy, PIP was already there, then Scipy, everything you do in the same way. You can try Sympy, then you will get it over here. Click on install package and it will get installed. So that's all. That's all that you need to do. Then click on OK and you are ready to go. So let us try this here. I've used 3 of those packages that were there. Try to run this. And so this is the one which worked by Numpy. Then this is the one by Scipy. And here I have Sympy. So all worked good. I hope this was a good tutorial for you. Thank you.